Hey there, everyone. You got a small DIY for a ice pack. So you take a cellulose, I think they're called cellulose. Well, anyway, you just cut it in half. Okay. Put a little bit of water in a bowl. Put the sponge in the water. Put a little alcohol in it. Some preferably more than others, you know, they might need it. Let it soak in. Get yourself a bag. Get yourself a bag. Stick the whole thing in there. Now, let it freeze overnight. You'll have a nice little ice pack for a boo-boo or, you know, whatever comes out. You can make them bigger, you can make them smaller. Looks just like this in the bag. See? Alcohol, a little bit of water, and a cellulose sponge with a Ziploc bag. Alright? Ice pack. Always on the go. Stick it in your freezer and always have one on hand. Alright, so right now I'm going to put this in the freezer and I'll come back for it in the morning. Alright, poop. Let's get this out of here. Show you what it looks like. It's been in here all night. You can use it as a, you can put it in a smaller bag, but use it as a cold compress, swollen ankle, you know, headache, migraine, anything. And there's your instant, well, you just gotta store them, but if you don't have any, you know, you can at least make some and have on hand for when those days hit you when you don't have anything else. Alright? Alright, thanks y'all for watching. Have a good one, and have a good week. Take care.